In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever needed to place a logo, a signature image, or a photo directly onto a PDF, this process will walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Make sure you're using Adobe Acrobat Pro since editing tools like adding images aren't available in the free reader. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Once it's open, bring in the PDF you want to edit. You can go to File, then Open, or simply drag your PDF into the Acrobat window. If your PDF opens in a different app by default, right-click it and choose to open with Adobe Acrobat Pro so you get the full editing toolbar. Next, look to the left side of the window and click All Tools. From the list, choose Edit a PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and reveals the tools you need. If your PDF is a scanned document, Acrobat may briefly run text recognition in the background. That's normal and helps with accurate placement. Now click the Add Image tool on the Editing toolbar. Your cursor will change and a file browser will open so you can pick the image you want to insert. Supported formats include PNG, JPG, and BMP. For crisp results, choose an image with a suitable resolution for the size you plan to display it. A transparent PNG is great for logos or signatures, while JPG works well for photos. Keep in mind that very large images can increase your PDF's file size. Select your image and click Open. To place it, either click once where you want it to land, or click and drag to set its size as you place it. If you need precision, zoom in before dropping the image so you can align it more accurately. After it's on the page, you can nudge it with your keyboard's arrow keys for fine adjustments. To refine the size or position, use the bounding box handles around the image. Drag a corner handle to scale proportionally, or use a side handle if you need to stretch it, though stretching can distort logos or signatures. To move the image, hover until you see the Move cursor and drag it to the exact spot you want. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo and try again. When everything looks right, save your document. Go to File and choose Save to update the existing file, or Save As to create a copy and preserve your original. That's it. Your image is now part of the PDF, ready to share or print.